You think they are watchdogs, they're just leash holders. The fourth estate doesn't bark at power, it begs for scraps from the same table. Myth number 1, journalism is objective truth. Destroy that fantasy. The press doesn't report reality, it curates consensus. Oh, so you think media literacy fixes this delusional coping mechanism? The system isn't broken, it's optimized for institutional alignment. Access journalism. You want a scoop, you play nice. You want a headline, you leak to the press release. Loyalty buys front page real estate. Lefties scream censorship. Righties scream deep state, both missing the point. It's the same boardroom funding both sides of the debate. Narrative warfare on a subscription model. They don't cover the news. They manufacture the mood. Demographic velocity means they pivot before the census finishes counting. First Amendment protects the publisher, not the public. Constitutional loophole exploited since 1984. You're not the audience, you're the target demographic. A fifth column doesn't need guns. It needs a teleprompter and a press credential. Soft power force projection. They don't invade territory, they invade attention. Calling it fake news is a skill issue. The news is real. It's just manufactured. Institutional memory is just institutional amnesia with a better PR team. You want the truth. Stop watching the feed. Read the raw data. Follow the money. The fourth estate is just a fifth column wearing a press pass. Comment below if you're ready to stop consuming and start questioning. Drop your take. Let's see who's actually awake and who's still scrolling. This isn't politics, it's architecture. And the blueprints are written in ink you can't read. Stay paranoid, stay informed, or stay asleep.